Okay, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the problem with the design library. If you take a look at my design library, you're going to see that when I go to design library, it tells me that I don't have one. It asks me if it wants me to remove it, and the answer is no. So here's how we're going to fix that problem. We are going to go down into your computer because this is in a hidden file location. We're going to type control panel, and there's the control panel app. Once we select the control panel app, we are going to go to appearance, file appearance. I'm looking for it here. Where did it go? There it go. Oh, appearance and then I'm going to go to my file explorer options, and I'm going to show hidden files. I'm now going to show hidden files and hit apply. Okay, I can close this out. So now what I can do is I'm going to go up into my options. I'm going to go into file locations. Here at documents, we're going to change this down to design library. And because I had 2018 installed before, it knows where to look, but it's not there. So I'm going to add a location. So I'm going to go to C drive, and it's going to be in a hidden file. That's what we had to turn that on. It's in program data. So I select the program data file. I'm going to go down to SolidWorks, and then I'm going to go to SolidWorks 2019, and I'm going to hit the design library and forming tools. And I'm just going to select the design library so it knows where to find it. And I'm going to delete the 2018 so it only says 19. I'm going to hit OK. So I'm going to say yes. And my system won't let me do it because I don't have administrator password, but yours then should be all set. So I hope that helps. You take care of what you need to do. Let me know if it doesn't work. So I wasn't sure if it worked, so I went and checked real quick, even though I got that error that you saw with the administration. So I'm going to go back into my design library. I can look down to forming tools. So it looked like before, but I went to design libraries, and I can see down here. Design library, here's my forming tools, and we're looking for the louvers. And there's the louver we're looking for. So again, I hope this corrects your situation. Good luck, and we'll talk to you soon.